Hey guys, I'm back again, and this time we talk about the Nokia 9. First of all, the audio update of the Nokia 5 brought a new version of Nokia's camera with surprising and hidden new features. The camera now supports dual cameras of both the telephoto and wide angle. The app specifically shows 2 times telephoto zoom, which is the standard for phones right now. The Nokia 5 can't make use of it, of course. Even HMD's only dual camera phone, the Nokia 8, has an identical field of view on its 2 cameras. But this app shows what could come in the future. So far, no phone on the market does both telephoto and wide angle. We have already heard the first rumors of phones with 3 cameras, but chances are that HMD is just considering 2 separate models. There's another less exciting change to the camera app now. You can now manually select shutter speed and ISO on the Nokia 5. Now what is ISO? In digital photography, ISO measures the sensitivity of the image sensor. The same principle applies in film photography. The lower the number, the less sensitive your camera is to light and the finer the grain. Higher ISO settings are generally used in darker situations to get faster shutter speeds. The Nokia 5 has a dual 5-megapixel selfie cameras on the front, as you can see on the screen. The camera has autofocus and an f2.0 aperture for one of the modules. The other one has an f2.4 lens. It's that f2.0 module that is responsible for video 1080p. The limited spec sheet doesn't go into details what the other modules does. And finally, the biggest news of today is here. Someone was spotted in Jakarta testing the phone's LS dual 13-megapixel camera. You can see the vertically oriented dual camera with the back. With the LED to the side, it matches the design we saw leaked by a case maker. The front LED is pointing a 5.5-inch OLED screen with a tall 18 by 9 aspect ratio. It's less clear there have been rumors of rounded sides, and it kind of looks like that is the case in these images. There's a chance that this is the Nokia 7 Plus instead, which features a similar design and spec sheet. Either way, we hope to find out at the MWC. HMD promised awesome stuff. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.